Hello, Sunny.
Hello, teacher.
All right. Well, that's great because I can hear you very well now. Okay, so let's get started again. So the first question is I want you to tell me about yourself.
Okay, my in Vietnamese, my name is Minh Anh. I'm 8 years old. I study in the primary school. My favorite subject is English and music because English helps me learn new words and have fun in English, and music helps me. I love music because I can dance and singing when I have music. That's
Wow, that's great. Okay, are you a good dancer and singer, Sunny? Yeah.
and my favorite food is hamburger. My favorite sport is volleyball because volleyball can, can teach me some exercise, also helps me healthy.
Yes. Nice. So thank you so much for telling me about yourself, Sunny. Well, that is good because you know how to answer this question. So of course, at first you stated your name, your real name, where you from, or which school do you go to, and the things that you like. So very good, Sunny. Okay, so Sunny, you said that you like music because you like dancing and singing. Are you a good dancer and a singer, Sunny?
I'm good at dancer.
Oh, you're good at dancing. Well, that's nice. So, what do you prefer, dancing or singing?
I prefer dancing. A little bit of singing.
Oh, wow. All right. Yes, since you're very good at dancing, then you should prefer dancing. Great, Sunny. Okay, now, Sunny, do you know what a nickname is?
Nickname means English name or Vietnamese name. I don't know. But
Mm-hmm. Actually, when
you
we say
can
nickname is
uh
not your real name. This is what other people call you. That's what nickname means. Yes, just like me. My
call me
nickname is AM. That is just my initials. AM stands for Audrey Meg. My real name is Audrey Meg. But at home, they call me Meggie. That is my nickname. Okay, they would call me Meg, they would call me Dring. So they call me a lot of names. What about you, Sunny? So in English, Sunny is your nickname. Do you have other nicknames at home, Sunny?
nicknames.
Yeah.
My meeting. Maybe not raining so much because that's okay.
How
It's
does
a
your mom
breakthrough.
call you?
My mom called me Ruslat here.
Does she call you mean?
Uh, okay. Process in my Vietnamese name.
Minan or Minan?
Uh, you said a little bit so lacking. I, my mom always called me as the real name. Never said
Yes.
me another name.
Oh, wow. Well, that's great because your mom calls you by your real name. It's so nice when everyone would call you with your real name, not other names. Because, of course, if somebody calls you with another name, then other people will follow and they will call you like that already. Yes. Well, it's good because you only have two names, Sunny and Minan. All right.
Ah,
So, do you
ah,
like playing
I
with your
have
friend?
one
Uh huh.
more. I forgot it. I
Yeah.
forgot it. Um, but not really the real name or nickname. It's just when I was young, my mom just called me a buddy because you see when babies are small, they are very cute, right? Right?
Yes.
And you love babies. Babies also crying. I crying so much.
Mm-hmm.
You see every day and every night. Always crying because you know what? I don't know anything. But when I was grown
Mm-hmm.
up, I know more about me.
All right. So, how does your mom how did she used to call you?
The if I crying too much, she sent me a buddy because also when I was crying too much, she just said doggy. That's a funny name because I don't think she always called me that name before I was growing up. When I was growing up, never this this word before.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow. Well, that's great because she's no longer calling you that name, right? Because you're no longer a crybaby.
Yeah,
Yes.
when I was
So,
crying too much,
mm-hmm.
she always said me that if I don't cry anymore, she just says my real name or my English name. That's why I need to to say something to my mom because she always call me that. But now I never get her to set me that again. If she said that, I don't want ever to play with her.
Oh, all right, Sunny. But anyway, do you like that name or no?
No,
Of
that's a
course
buddy.
not.
I love buddy, but not that doggy. I hate dog, and don't hurt me.
Mm-hmm.
I have one of the dogs bite me. Also, I have to go to the hospital. Ah,
Oh, yes, you should
so
get a
hurting.
vaccine for anti-rabies because we don't know if
Yes,
that dog had some rabies. Yeah.
rabies.
So
I know.
it's better to get vaccine whenever that
Oh,
dog
I
bites
said to
you.
you
Just
something.
like me.
I have to say you to something.
What?
In my house there is a dog. I call them doggy, and I don't do anything with my dog, right? But then the dog bites and they death. I don't know what.
They're dead?
Yeah, I don't know
Then
anything.
that
But then
means then that
I
means
feel
the
my
dog
heart
has
is
so many rabies, Sunny. So you should get a
up,
vaccine for
up.
anti-rabies. Yeah, because
I
if
end
the dog bites you and the
on
dog
the
died,
top.
that means the dog has so
Uh,
much rabies. Or probably the dog wasn't
I said
injected.
to you something. I need to say to
Mm-hmm.
you something.
Uh-huh.
When my dog's bite and the dog dies, I don't know what's problem with my dog, and then I feel my heart was sinking. Also, my heart looks like I'm really deaf. But then my mom see me was bite, and she take me to hospitals faster and faster. Finally, before the hospital, one of the nurses and doctors sees me and then they take me in our rooms and finally I live again. That's why I was
Oh.
scared of the dogs because dogs have many ribbons. Also, my doctor said to me that never go next to your dog because your dog have many ribbons. We, if you are don't give Because my doctor says too much because the dogs has many ribbons. Also, it's it's very dangerous if they was deathly. Not my dog. It was a little death because they death already, and now the vet helps him live again, and now he never bite again. I use some of the vet's customers also they might protect me. Never. I never been that before I was going to my age at 8 years old because when I was 7 years old I've been to buy two of them and I feel so hurty also it's too much for me if I was too sad and also today's when I have 1 year left, I never play with my dog, and my dad sees me doing what the dog says. He make the dog die. You know what? Because they bite me. But I just love my dog so much. But my dad kills them, so I'm being so sad.
Oh, so the dog was killed purposely, right? It didn't die
I
on
just
its
love
own.
that dog. Yeah.
Ah, all right. Because of course your dad values you more than the dog. Yeah, he really need to make a very difficult situation because of course you are his daughter. But yeah, it's not also right to kill the dog. You should have surrendered it to the public animal clinic and they will raise the dog on their own. Yeah. So yeah, we don't actually have the right to kill the dog, Sunny. That's just so sad. But of course, it's good that you are safe. So next time, never play with the dog, especially if it's
Oh, I
a
can
dog
play
on
with
the
the
street
dog.
or a dog that you don't know. And if that dog is still a puppy and it didn't have any vaccines, or it didn't have any vaccines for anti-rabies for the dogs, then that means that dog has so much rabies, and whenever that dog might bite you, the rabies could be passed on to you, and that's very dangerous, Sunny. So that is why whenever the dog bites us, we have to go to the hospital immediately to get the vaccine.
But if it's
Yeah.
got a child, if it's got a baby, and the baby was bite into a dog, and the dog deathly happened, and the baby death happened now. What
Pardon, Sunny.
happened?
What's that, Sunny?
Maybe that's okay. If there is a baby bite with the dog, what if they do? If they death suddenly and the baby death suddenly, what can we do?
I don't know. I cannot hear you well. What do you mean? What can you do if the baby, what can you do if the puppies will bite you? Is that what your question is, Sunny?
Oh, no. No, if the baby was hurt by the dog has many ribbons and the dog death suddenly and then the baby death suddenly, what can we do?
Ah, all right. Hmm. You're trying to say that if a dog bites you and it die on its own and it
No,
has babies, so what will happen to the babies?
my maybe I said to you something because the baby was bitten by the dog, has many ribbons and they death suddenly. And the baby death suddenly too. What can we do?
Ah, which baby is it? Like a real baby, like a person, or just a puppy, a baby dog?
It's just no a real baby.
A real baby, really? Then that means the dog who bites the baby has so many rabies, Sunny. Yeah,
But then they death
because
suddenly because I have a question now.
yeah,
Um when the baby was bitten and they death, can the baby live again?
Since your statement said that the baby died, then that means she can no longer live anymore if she died.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Yes. And that is a very serious situation, Sunny. If you are bitten by a dog and you died, then oh my God, we should kill that dog. Or we should
Oh, I,
surrender it
oh, I,
to
oh
the
my
clinic.
uncle, my aunt have a baby and the baby was dead, you know. At my grandma's home, right, is a dog too. It have many and many ribbons. My grandma never gave my dog to the vet to have vaccines, but then the dog bite when my aunt
Mm-hmm.
don't wash my baby. My baby was crawl to my cage of the dog, and the dog go and the baby go into the cage. I don't know because my grandma first sees my baby was like the dog, so she put the baby in the cage, and then the dog bite her and she cried, but my aunt don't listen, and she just playing with her computer games, and then the dog desperately also the baby death. But when she play all the games finish and she sees the babies in the cage and she opened the cage and sees the baby was dead, she was crying too much, and my grandma was so sorry for her because she put the baby in to play with the dog now. No longer have a baby now. So
Oh, did
sad.
that happen in real? Did is that a true story, Sunny?
Yes, it's a true
How old
story.
is your aunt?
She's a little old.
How old? Like 6 years old, 7 years old? 3. Your aunt is 3 years old.
No,
How old is your aunt who was playing a computer game? Oh, she's 36. Oh, she's already old enough to know the thing. She's already
oh,
old
she
enough
loves to play,
to know how to take good care of a baby.
but she loves to play. Oh,
Pardon, Sunny?
she don't look at the baby, so the baby was dead.
Oh my goodness. I'm so
What a sad
sorry for
story.
her loss and for the baby. How old was the baby, Sunny?
The baby is 2 years old.
Oh my God. Yeah. So that is a lesson learned, Sunny. Whenever we have pet dogs, we should go to the vet and get vaccines for our dogs. And if there are babies at home, never ever let them play with the dogs, especially if that dogs do not have anti-rabies vaccines yet. Yeah. But that's so sad. Like, whose baby is that? Was it your aunt's baby or somebody else's
Yeah,
baby?
yeah, it's my aunt.
Oh, so that was her own daughter?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's very painful on your aunt's side. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I know that that was an accident. Yeah, and no mother would even dare to put their baby in that situation. That was just an accident, Sunny. And yeah, I'm so sorry for your aunt's loss. When did it happen, Sunny?
It happened
Did it
yesterday.
just yesterday?
Yeah.
Or really, the baby died because of the
Yeah.
dog bite?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So what happened to the dog now?
No, they just go at the doors. They was starting the doors. Not really now. They don't
Pardon, Sunny?
they they never live forever because they first my mom and my dad and my grandpa put the dog under the ground and now there aren't any dogs. Let's
Oh,
pass them before.
so they're no longer raising dogs, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's so sad, Sunny.
But don't
Like,
worry, she just
yes,
have a baby, but not aren't any
that's
dogs.
that's not how easy it is. I can imagine how painful it is for your aunt and her
But
family.
now she
So
has
that,
a daughter now.
pardon?
She has a daughter now, and I know she has a boy, and now there aren't any dogs in my house, so she can play with her baby and have she don't play games anymore. She knew
Yeah.
that one thing that she never had is don't she doesn't wash the dog and when her grandma put the baby in, so not really now. Maybe that's past enough, past few years and months.
Oh, wait, hold on. I'm so confused. When did the baby die?
Um, can you say it again?
When did the baby die, Sunny?
Oh, forgot it. Uh, I
Oh, so it happened
forgot.
a long time ago, right?
No, it's long time. It's few months.
Oh, just last month? You mean September?
No, maybe June.
So it
I
happened just
remember
this
it.
year on in June, in your birth month, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, so that's so sad, Sunny. So I feel sorry for your aunt. Anyway, so there's nothing that we can do about it because we lost the baby, we also lost the dogs. So we just have to learn from that situation, right? So you, Sunny, since you're still a kid, I don't want you to play with any dogs. Learn from that situation. Whether that dog is very cute, it's very friendly, don't be too complacent in playing with it because we don't know if that dog has vaccines already or not. You know what? Last December, I was also bitten by a dog. And that dog wasn't mine. It was my friend's dog. But fortunately, that dog has an updated vaccines. So even though that I was bitten by that dog, I didn't feel anything. I didn't have fever, but even though that I did not feel anything. I still went to the hospital to get the vaccines just for my peace of mind, Sunny. Because of course, anti-rabies is I mean, the rabies that we get from the animals is very dangerous. Yes. So anyway, thank you for sharing that story, Sunny. So let's move on with part two of this lesson. I want you to look at the pictures in here. So where are they in this picture?
We are at the restaurant.
Yeah, they're in the restaurant. So there are two pictures in here. I want you to tell me the differences between picture one and two.
Okay, I know.
Okay, Sunny, you may start
In
now.
picture one, rice a man was cooking the meal, but in picture two, the girl is cooking the meal. In, in picture one is is night, but in picture two is sunny, is morning. In picture one, there is a picture of the boat, but in picture two, there is a picture of the tree, a green tree. In picture one, there is a lamp on the red blankets. But the picture two, the flower pot is on the red blanket. In picture one, there are some knives, forks, and many kinds of things are on the green table. But in picture two, there aren't any things on the green blanket. In picture one, the spoon is gray, but in picture two, the spoon is yellow. In picture one, the water pants is black, but in picture two, the water pants is green. In picture one, there are two sandwiches on two plates, but in picture two, there aren't any sandwiches on two plates. In picture one, the one my in picture one, Grandpa is sitting on the tree on the chair, but in picture two, he is standing beside the chair.
Anything else, Sunny?
Yes, in picture one, the man is wearing a chef hat, but in picture two, the girl is wearing her beautiful hat,
Nice.
gold hat.
Is that all?
What me? In picture one, there are four sausages, and in picture two, there are three sausages.
Very good. Wow. So you found it all, Sunny. So great. Oh, let me see. Oh, there are still two more differences. What do you think are those?
In picture one, there are seven bills, but in picture two, there are eight bills.
What is that? There are seven.
Um, I circle it. Yeah.
Oh, all right. So aside from that one, what else?
Um,
This is something that we could barely even notice.
what me? Oh, a little small. In picture one, a man's hair is black, but in picture two, the girl's hair is brown. In picture one, the man has mustache, but picture two, the, she doesn't have any mustache.
All right.
Uh,
Is that all, Sunny?
yeah, a mustache. Where? Okay, mustache.
All right.
Um,
So, well, that's great because you've found most of the answers in here. So I'm going to give you 9 out of 10 here,
one,
Sunny.
one, one more.
Which one?
In picture one, Grandma is wearing a straight shirt, but the picture two, she's wearing a circus pink shirt.
All right. So nice, Sunny. So that's additional one. Very good. But you know what? Here, look at those girls. The girls have long hair in picture one, but in picture two, they have
It's
got
short hair.
short hair. Yes.
Ah,
And also, Sunny, Here, you can actually say that grandma is wearing a t-shirt that has stripes on it, while in the picture
What is
two,
that?
grandma is wearing a t-shirt that has spots on it. Because when we say spots, that
Okay.
means circles. Then this one we have stripes like that. So, well, that's great because you still got 10 stars in here. So well done, Sunny. So that means you're very observant with the obvious, what do we call that one? Differences in here. And it's good to know too that you are paying attention to the details of each pictures. Anyway, it's already time, Sunny. So we'll call it an end and I'll see you next week. Goodbye, Sunny.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Bye, teacher.